Astoria Cough Shop.
Good morning. Good morning. What can I get for you? I'd like a cup of coffee, please. Sure. What size would you like? A small, please. A medium, please. A large, please. Hot, please. Iced, please. Anything else? That's all, thanks. I'd like a muffin. I'd like a croissant. Can I have a latte? Can I have a cappuccino? Can I have an espresso? Can I have a mocha? Can I have a flat white? Can I pay by card? Cash, please. Here's your change. Thank you. You're welcome. Have a nice day. See you again.
The story at store, shopping.
Hello, welcome to our bag store.
Thank you. I'm looking for a new bag.
What kind of bag do you need?
I'm looking for a handbag.
We have many styles.
Can you show me the latest collection?
Of course, please follow me. These bags just arrived this week.
They look beautiful.
This one is our best seller.
I like the black one.
It comes in 3 colors.
Can I see the brown one?
Certainly. Here it is.
It feels very soft.
It's made of genuine leather.
How much is it?
It's $80.
Do you have any discounts?
Yes, it's 20% off today.
That's a great deal.
Would you like to try it?
Yes, please.
It looks perfect on you.
Thank you very much.
Do you need a bigger size?
No, the size is perfect.
Would you like a shoulder bag?
Yes. Show me some.
These are very popular.
I like this blue one.
It has plenty of space.
Does it have inside pockets?
Yes, it has 3 pockets.
That's very useful.
The zipper is very strong.
Can I open it?
Of course.
It looks spacious.
Yes, it can hold a laptop.
That's exactly what I need.
Would you like another color?
Do you have gray?
Yes, right over here.
I think I prefer the gray one.
It's an excellent choice.
Is it waterproof?
Yes, it is water resistant.
That's good to know.
I'll take this one. 51,002 to 55,000. 0
Yes,
hours,
please.
2 minutes and 58 seconds. Is this
500.
for yourself? Would you like a gift bag?
No, it's a birthday gift.
That's a wonderful choice.
Can you wrap it for me?
Of course. Would you like a ribbon?
Yes, a red ribbon.
It will be ready in a minute.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Do you sell wallets?
Yes, they're over there.
Can I take a look?
Certainly. This wallet matches the bag. I like matching sets. It's on sale today.
How much is it?
It's $25. I'll take it too. Excellent choice.
Do you have travel bags?
Yes, in the back section.
Can you show me?
Please come this way. These bags are lightweight.
They look very durable.
They're perfect for travel.
Does this one fit under an airplane seat?
Yes, it does.
That's convenient. It also has a luggage strap.
That's very helpful.
Do you have a backpack?
Yes, right here.
I like this design.
It's one of our newest models.
Can it hold a laptop?
Yes, up to 15 inches.
Perfect.
Would you like to try it on?
Yes, please.
How does it feel?
It's very comfortable.
The straps are adjustable.
That's nice. I'll buy this backpack too.
Thank you for shopping with us.
The story at school.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm fine. How about you?
I'm doing great. What classes do you have today?
I have math first.
My first class is English. Who's your English teacher?
Mrs. Wilson.
She's very kind.
Yes, she is.
What's your second class?
Science.
Mine is history.
Do you like history?
Yes, it's interesting.
I like science more.
Do you have PE today?
Yes, this afternoon.
Great. I love PE.
Me too.
Do you have homework?
Just a little.
Is there a math test today?
No, it's tomorrow.
Are you ready?
Almost.
Let's study together later.
That's a good idea.
What time does school finish?
At 3:30 p.m.
Where are you going after school?
I'm going to the library.
Can I come with you?
Sure.
We can study together.
That sounds great.
After that, let's get a drink.
I'd love to.
See you after class.
See you later. 41:00:02:2
It was really
2分
fun.
钟23500 What
How
did you
was
learn
your
today? English class.
We practiced speaking.
That's useful.
Yes, I learned many new words.
What's your next class?
Geography.
Mine is chemistry.
Chemistry is difficult.
I need to study more.
Let's review together.
Good idea.
What time is lunch?
At 12 o'clock.
What are you eating today?
I'm having chicken and rice.
That sounds delicious.
What about you?
I'm having noodles.
Let's sit together.
Sure.
Do you have a club meeting today?
Yes, after school.
Which club?
The English club.
That sounds interesting.
You should join us.
I'd love to.
School is over now.
Where are you going?
I'm going to the library. I need to return a book.
Can I go with you?
Of course.
After that, let's visit the bookstore.
You need a notebook. I want to buy some pens.
Then let's get some coffee.
That sounds perfect. 81 0004 0004 4303400 I finished my homework. Quiet today.
Great job!
Thank you.
Where should we go now?
Let's go to the coffee shop. I'd like an iced coffee.
I'll have a milk tea.
Do you want something to eat?
Yes, maybe a sandwich.
That sounds delicious.
Let's share some fries.
Good idea.
What are your plans this weekend?
I'm visiting my grandparents.
That sounds nice.
How about you?
I'm going to play soccer.
Have a great time.
See you at school tomorrow.